at idle, warm. The check engine light is small evap leak, so it's not related to this. But what do you guys think this sound is? I can't figure it out. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not.